What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the Fish on Game channel. On today's challenge, we're trying to do a one cast, one fish challenge here. So check it out. Let's see how we do.
Energy， 我跟他赌，我搞不清楚这是个好问题。跟我打扫，我了解，但不了解你，就别再这么活。借给你的爱不够用，请你丢进垃圾堆。也就算。